Welcome back to my channel SkillSetGo. In this video, we will learn about the RxJava and the introduction of RxJava with a basic example. So what is RxJava? RxJava is a reactive extension Java. So it is a reactive programming. For every action, there will be a reaction. So the main components in RxJava is observable and observer. RxJava is basically an observer pattern. So the main components are observable, observer, and the connection between observable and observer is a subscription. So the main components are observable, observer, and the connection between those two is a subscription. So for every action there will be a reaction. So here the action is done by observable and the result of that action will be observed by the observer and it will do its action. So for connecting both observable and observer, we need to subscribe for the observable. Observer should subscribe observable so that whatever the result that action produces will be consumed by observer and takes the next action whatever it wants to do. So in this video we will take a small basic example to demonstrate this observable pattern using RxJava. So I have created an empty Android project. In that project, in build.gradle file, just add these two implementations dependencies for RxJava to library. Then we can directly go and program. So as I said, we need observable, observer, and subscription. For demo purpose, we will create a basic observable. Observable equal to observable. As you observe, we need to take reactive x observable. Just will take a number of items. This just is an operation on observable. So in this video, we no need to learn a deep about all functions. We will just demonstrate observable, observer, and the connection between those two. Let's say observable produces a series of integers, say 1, 3, 5, 8, 45, 23, and it will suggest create a local variable observable. So this observable will produce a series of integers. So now we have completed a first component, creating observable. Then we will create observer. So observer should have a compulsory implemented methods. New observer, as you see, we need to take reactive x observer. So this is integer. Now it will suggest observer should have implemented methods. So it should have on subscribe, it should have on next, it should have on error, and it should implement on complete. Let's put it in a variable observer and creates a variable. So now we have created observable and observer, but these are independent now. This observer is not subscribed this observable yet. We will just subscribe it. Now we will subscribe observer to observable. So we have created observable dot, it has a subscribe method. In subscribe method we will just pass observer, just pass observer. So that's it. We have created a simple basic example using RxJava. Now as soon as observable gets an observer, it will start emitting these values 1, 3, 5, 8, 45, 32. So observer will receive these data. So where the observer receives is, it has 4 implemented functions. So for every item, on next will be called and the item will be passed here. So whenever we subscribe, this method is called, indicating that observer is subscribed. And if any error occurs while emitting these values, observable will emit the error event so that observer can receive that error and it knows the error occurred. And after emitting all values, it will call on complete so that observer will know now all data is emitted and received. Let's print the values in on next and see the result. Just print integer. Let's prefix as channel name so that we can search by this word. So in the same way we will print in this function as well, so that we will know it got subscribed. Subscribed. So in the same way we will print here error, we will print here completed. So the observer won't release data until it has an observer. So as soon as we create observable doesn't have any observers now, so observer won't emit any data. As soon as observable gets a subscribe observer, then it will start emitting data, and this data will be received by this observer in this function. Now let's execute this project and see the result. So let's search by the word channel name we have given. So as you can see, first subscribed event got received to observer, then all values are received 1, 3, 5, 8, 45, 32, and after completing observable raises a event completed. So observer receives on complete event and we are printing completed. So this is the basic structure of RX Java. It has observable, it has observer, and as soon as we subscribe to observable will start emitting a data. It can be any data. For now we have taken a simple example of series of integers. So there is more about observable and how the type of data it receives, so that we will see in coming videos. I hope you understood the basics of RX Java, and I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my video and channel to your friends, and thank you for watching.